Episode 2 of 11 blade comparison. So I got 4 more boxes, 4 more brands in here. So the last video, the winner is JB because it is cheaper and pointy, sharper. Don't forget, I am just comparing the blade 11 and the feather. They're good, but they are expensive. They're also classified as 11 blade. As for the Swan Modern, this one from England, it is also 11. Okay. The problem is not pointy enough, okay, not suitable for our kind of work. So in my comparison, I highly recommended those blades from China. This one, it is cheap enough. So the first one I want to see is this. UUL versus JB. Right? They are very similar. I can say they're almost identical. So now JB on top, 2 UUL on below. I can say they're kind of like having a same manufacturer. Okay, they are tight. 2 UL is good. So next one is this. Let's see how well they make it. They don't have any logo at all. So before I compare, I should mark it. So since 2 UUL, they are tight with the JB and they're easy to get. So let's compare. Oh. I think they have the same manufacturer. Okay, 2 UUL on below. You see, okay, they're identical. So I want to say this, okay. And this one, okay. Next brand from China as well, surgical blade, blah blah blah. They even tell you what number you can get. I think I don't need to test it. They have the same packing from this one. As long as you see the packing, if they're the same, I believe they're the same. But never mind, let's see. This one is a blue box. So I will just write a blue here, B. So if they have a same packing, I believe they are the same with 2 UUL. Yes, it is identical with 2 UUL. Sharpness, the shape. So now I put the 2 UUL below and compare the front. Same. Okay, last one. It's a doctor. Oh, marketed by Falcon International. Anyhow, let's open it. Oh, finally we have a different backing, huh? My benchmark is 2 UUL because they were my sponsor a few years ago. So let's do it. Comparison. Yep. They are almost the same, with 2 UVL on below and HL on top. Right, they're the same here. So the winner is this one. Okay, why JB is the winner? Because this box is contain 50 pack, 10 pieces per pack, 500 pieces, and the cost is the lowest. But you can only get from China. If you search for JB in AliExpress, I don't think you can get it. But if you search this Chinese word, Junbei, okay, you can get it in Taobao or China website. But it's fine. If you couldn't get from AliExpress, you still can get their OEM. There are many other brands, I believe they have a same manufacturer like from this company. So the second runner-up winner is this one. Even it say doctor, but I see the blade, it named itself HL. It is the cheapest. If you are local, then you know there's a supplier, it's called CME, and I bought from them is 19 ringgit. It's cheapest, and they are the same quality. So the third place is this, the blue box. The funny thing is the blue box, they have a same packing to the purple box. They have a same packing, means they have a same manufacturer, but they are cheaper. So blue box here is 23 ringgit. This one is 19. So that's why he's the third place. As between these two, you all know they are kind of like from same design, same manufacturer. This one, don't forget, it is 2 UUL. This one is 25. This one is 29. And these two, they are branded. They are too expensive. And this one, it is the same model, number 11 blade, but not suitable. Both of them, they are expensive. Okay, Japan, England. So my conclusion is get this one if you can. If no, then this one. Yep, this is for the video.